Hello my friends, I'm Imran and today I will cook noodles that I'm going to show you in this video. Stay with me and enjoy the full video and you will get entertained and you will get some learn from here. Okay, I will cook noodles, so I took a onion and I removed the cover of all onions and I washed. After that I'm cutting. You can see I take all of onion to cut. I'm taking a knife and sausage chopstick. Okay, you can see I'm cutting into different pieces this onion. I take 4 or 5 pieces of onion. Take as a required amount of your noodles or something else. Okay, you can see I am cutting one by one and making into different pieces this onion. Okay, this is the important ingredients of making something, to cook something. Okay, I'm trying to make paste this onion. If I make paste, then it will very easy to use and going to be very tasty food. I take some potato and I'm removing the cover of all potatoes. I took 3 potatoes and I'm removing cover with a machine. You can see I bought it from street. Okay, and after removing the cover of all 3 potatoes, I will wash and cut. Okay, you can see I'm cutting the potatoes into different pieces. I will make more different pieces by cutting these potatoes. I will use in eggs. This is important ingredients of any type of cooking, especially noodles. If you make in your house, noodles is a street food, but we are going to make it in our house. That you can see. Okay, you can see that I am making into different pieces this potato and I'm keeping on pot, and I'm using a knife and sausage stick to cut these potatoes. I'm making into different pieces. Alright, you can see, and I will wash and I will eat it. And I take some red chili to make a perfect and tasty colorful noodles. It will help us. Well, before cut I wash this red chili and its ingredients of making noodles. Okay, here is our pot to keep, and you can see the onion and red chili. Okay, I will boil this main ingredients of noodles, and it is noodles, and I have 2 packets of noodles. I gave 2 packets. Okay, and I will give some salt as well, and here is the other packets of noodles. At first I will boil it, then I will make with use with other spices that I already cut, and you already saw. Okay, it's boiled and it got its perfect color. Okay, and I will use potatoes. Okay, I'm using potatoes to make boil and dry, so that it is boiled and make a perfect colorful foods. Okay, now I'm going to use onion and other ingredients I'm putting in the pot. Okay, I'm mixing with potatoes. I have a few more potatoes. Alright, you can see I'm using eggs and make it thin out in a pot, in a glass, and I'm going to pour it in the oil and other ingredients. Eggs is in our ingredients as well. Now I'm mixing perfectly so that the color is calm and it makes tasty. Well, I'm mixing and mixing. After that I will give the main ingredients of noodles, that is noodles as well, and make it noodles. Okay, I'm giving some sweet salty. It's make perfect taste of salty. Okay, I'm giving my other ingredients, other remaining potatoes in this pot. Okay, I'm mixing and mixing and mixing, and I will pour this noodles in the spices so that noodles is being spices. Okay, I'm pour some oil. I'm pouring some oil so that the noodles don't stack with pot, and I'm mixing these noodles with the spices so that it noodles makes spices and colorful. I'm going to show you. Okay, I hope you can see clearly. After that, I'm uh, going to give some salts that I got from the noodles of packets. Okay, it is really tasty. uh, it makes colorful as well. Okay, I'm mixing with the salts these noodles. Okay, it is almost completed.